But let me now sit to Aisha to discuss the market open. Aisha.
Oh yeah, absolutely. Just counting down to the first rates, and it's going to be really Paytm more than anything else, because the pre-open rate itself is indicating a downtick for us. But not just Paytm, you know, while the Nifty starts off a little bit tempered, I must add here that the global context and the global market handover has been really bleak today. So even those quiet rates that you're seeing on the Nifty and Sensex, it's actually global dominance and outperformance, so to speak. There come the first rates then this morning, and it's pretty much in sync with what the pre-open rates were indicating earlier today, that it's going to be a mild tempered start. Paytm first up, lockdown straight away, down 20% in trade right now. This Indus Towers as well, and that's an 18-hour news break. KKR, CPP are looking to sell shares to the tune of about $465 million via block deals in this particular counter. Indus Towers as well starts off lower by about 1%. There's of course Punjab and Sindh Bank as well, which has come out with a weak set of numbers, but a lot of positive movers today. So look out for what Shree Cement does, because much in line with what you heard from ACC Ambuja, it's been a strong set of numbers and it has been a beat from Shree Cement as well. That stock should be opening up positively today. GCPL as well, again a strong Q3 from GCPL too. The margins have come in at about 24.3% versus what the street estimates were in the range of about 19 to 19.5 odd percent. Scottish Consumer, that also has actually seen a decent earnings this time around. The revenue has risen about 2%, margins are up nearly 300 basis points. And I say that it's a beat because purely in context of what some of the other rural-dominated FMCG plays are up to, although Dabur was clearly an exception yesterday. I want to see what airlines as well are up to, because remember jet fuel, that's ATF, the prices have been cut there. So Interglobe Aviation is one stock that you may want to pull up on your screens, 1% higher on this particular stock as we speak right now. But let's see what the big boys are up to. What's L&T up to? What is ITC doing? What's Reliance doing? And then what's HDFC Bank doing? Because that's going to have its bearing on the index. Reliance starts off just marginally higher. L&T sees a follow-through sell-off, still down. Nothing of a move really coming in on HDFC Bank. ICICI Bank absolutely flat. And remember, the Adani names also deliver their numbers today. So look out for that cluster of names as well. Both Adani Enterprises as well as Ports are due for their earnings. Those stocks will also come up for you on your screens. So very tempered and sedate, Nikunj, when it comes to the index. But I don't think the index is the clear picture. It's all about individual stocks, as has been the case so far. Small and mid caps, that's where all the action is.